Redmi Note 15 Pro Plus, the toughest Note ever built. And this time Redmi is pushing durability to a whole new level because the upcoming Note 15 Pro Plus is officially launching on August 21st at 7 p.m. with a clear focus on toughness, drop resistance, waterproofing, and rugged real-world usability. And for the first time in the Note lineup, Xiaomi is introducing Dragon Crystal Glass, a flagship-grade material previously seen only on the premium Xiaomi 14. And this breakthrough glass is paired with a fiberglass back panel to create the strongest double-sided drop resistance in Redmi's entire history. Capable of surviving 50 repeated drops from 2 meters directly onto granite, while delivering 10 times better protection compared to its predecessors. And at the heart of this technology is Dragon Crystal Glass itself, a nanoscale microcrystalline material with an impressive Vickers hardness of 860 HV0.025, even surpassing Huawei's well-known Kunlun glass. And this strength comes from an extremely complex manufacturing process where quartz sand, lithium carbonate, aluminum oxide, and zirconium are melted at over 1,600 degrees Celsius, then grown into trillions of nanocrystals over a span of more than 80 hours. And these nanocrystals act like microscopic shields that stop cracks from spreading, dramatically improving both drop resistance and scratch protection, while still keeping the natural shine, transparency, and brilliance of glass intact. And from a design perspective, Redmi has gone for what it calls the most beautiful little King Kong, featuring a fully deep micro-curved body and display, carefully balancing the straight-edge toughness with a soft and premium in-hand feel, while still keeping the iconic 4-barrel camera design that fans recognize, only this time slimmer, more refined and modernized. And while the middle frame may use plastic, Redmi emphasizes that strength and waterproofing are further enhanced, delivering durability without compromising on looks. And Redmi's head Wang Tung has described the Note 15 Pro Plus as bringing laboratory-quality durability into realities of everyday use, because extensive big data analysis has shown that most mid-range phone failures come not from performance, but from real-world accidents like drops, liquid damage, and battery wear. And further surveys reveal that people are increasingly using phones in harsh conditions, such as rain, bathrooms, kitchens, or even outdoors with wet hands. So the Note 15 Pro Plus has been optimized specifically for these challenges with stronger Dragon Crystal Glass, improved waterproofing, and more resilient battery performance. And Redmi calls this philosophy durable quality in actual combat, which perfectly sums up their mission to build a phone tough enough for blue-collar workers, outdoor adventurers, and heavy daily users who demand both reliability and performance. And it is important to note that durability has always been a cornerstone of the Note series, because the Note 13 brought IP68 water resistance. The Note 14 introduced the waterproof Grand Slam, and now the Note 15 goes even further with full IP69K certification, protecting the phone against not just dust and water, but also high temperature and high pressure water spray, something very few phones in this price segment can offer, making it officially the most drop resistant and waterproof Note device ever created. And while toughness is clearly the highlight, Redmi has also ensured the Note 15 Pro Plus does not lag behind in other areas, promising a flagship-level display with vivid colors and smooth refresh rates, ultra-fast charging for minimal downtime, a reliable high-capacity battery designed for long-term durability, a powerful imaging system led by a refined large sensor and optimized AI processing, and improved communication features for seamless connectivity, positioning this device not just as a rugged phone, but as a complete flagship-level mid-range smartphone experience. And all of this is built upon the foundation of the Note family's massive success story, as the series has already sold more than 460 million units worldwide and continues to lead global sales among Chinese smartphones in the $175 to $499 range, proving that Redmi's formula of combining affordability, durability, and flagship features resonates with millions of users across different regions. And the Note 15 Pro Plus is here to strengthen that legacy, redefining what users can expect from a mid-range device. And when you combine Dragon Crystal Glass durability, fiberglass reinforcement, IP69K waterproofing, stunning design, and a full suite of high-end features, you get a phone that not only survives real-world punishment, but also thrives as a daily driver that balances performance with reliability. making it not just a smartphone, but a long-lasting companion built to endure. So as August 21st approaches, all eyes are on Redmi to see how this device will shake up the market, because the Note 15 Pro Plus is not just another phone. It is a statement that durability and performance can go hand in hand. And for more exciting updates on the toughest Note ever built, stay tuned to TechVerse.